miss. Nah, pissed off we can't win. I'm pissed off we can't win. Time and times come again. Tryna grind to the end. Time and times come again. Tryna grind to the end. Devil on my back, he watching the sin. Fuck them crackers, got my brother locked in. Tryna rope us cause they don't like a skin.
YouTube, it's your boy KC 2 times back with another video, man. And today, bro. I just gotta tell y'all, bro, I got corona, bro. Like, no bullshit, bro. I got corona, bro. So, bro, I've been gone for about like, oh shit. It's about to be 2 weeks on Monday, bro. And hopefully this shit gets done with soon, bro. Only thing I got is a cough left, but I should be back to school soon, bro. And then I can get these videos back on the road, bro. Cause if I still had Jose, then maybe you would fucking have videos out, but it's straight, bro. I'ma fuck with y'all. Safety love.
Baby, guardami un rato, lumite. Lumite un amor suficiente. Baby, say mami, tá mi dream girl. Tava só tá parecendo. Mami, tava só me
Yes. Hello. This is the Chinese buffet calling.
Huh?
Last time you come in, you eat way too much.
What are you talking about?
You're not allowed back anymore.
Bro, I even go to your... What?
I got your number from credit card info.
Yeah, suck my card.
This not homeless shelter. This restaurant. You eat all...
Yo, what's good?
Yeah, I found this number in my wife's phone. Who are you?
Bro.
Well, you listed under the name
number, bro.
Sweetheart.
What?
What have you been doing with her?
You talking about? You're like...
Don't play dumb.
Shut up.
Are you in her yoga class?
Yeah, bro, I'm 15 years old. I'm not doing no yoga.
I knew it. You've been meeting her at night, haven't you?
Oh, is it Betsy? Oh, yeah. I fuck the shit out of her. Yeah, shut up.
Liar.
Hello?
Hello?
Who's this?
Yeah, hey, is this James?
Yes, it is.
So you the one who hit my car?
Who?
Well, you left your phone number on my windshield.
I haven't hit a car, sir. I haven't been out
drive
today.
A blue car?
No, sir. I drive a black Honda Civic.
Listen, B, you scratched the side of my car. There's blue paint all over it.
I don't drive a blue car,
don't lie
sir.
to me.
I'm not lying.
You got
I can
insurance,
send you a
right?
picture of my car right now.
Let me give him a call then.
Give who a call?
Are you stupid or something?
Well, who are you trying to call?
Then why'd you leave a damn note?
They probably left you the wrong number. How is that my fault?
Stop yapping and listen.
I'm
Let me
listening.
call the California DMV on your pitiful ass.
Well, you can call them.
Man, what's
Please.
wrong with you?
I'm telling you it's not my car and you're the one giving me a fucking attitude. That's what's fucking wrong with me. I didn't hit your fucking car. I didn't leave my fucking house today. So watch your fucking mouth!
I got your note right here in my own hand.
Motherfucker! Dude, don't fucking test me. I didn't hit your fucking car. I'm trying to be patient with you, motherfucker. I didn't hit your shit. If I hit your shit, I'd man up and own up to it.
Yeah, am I wrong? Tripping. Listen, think about it. This is the fuck are you feeling? Think about it. Should be childish. You think I'm scared, man? I'm just dancing. Dirty dancing, rock against the wall. Trying to do what everybody else doing. Cause everybody doing what they all do. One thing I know, fall but I grow. It's road of mine, Am I wrong? Thinking we could be something for real. Man, what do you do, YouTube, bruh? I finally don't got corona no more, bruh. And I'm finna go to school tomorrow, dog. You already know we back on this shit, bruh. We back on this YouTube shit, bruh. I'm on my grind, bruh. Stop playing with me for real. Really finna tee up, bruh. I'm on this shit, bruh. Let's go. Shit for tomorrow, bruh. Yo, what's that? Seeing like a math quiz on passing. Need a cut, bro. Real shit. Yeah, what is your motive? Hey, motive for this? Shit, now that I'm rich.
I was about to say. Mr. Wallace. Oh shit, did I even? Oh shit, my bad. What the hell are you doing right now?
Oh, he's taking a picture of you.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
I love my nigga so much I cry if you don't answer. Anytime I'm here from Jack with him, I can feel my head hurt. Anytime I'm here from Jack with him, you gon' betray me anyway, so I don't want no friends. I ain't never let nobody get too close again. My baby mama said I shouldn't trust you, and I hated that you really let the bitch be right.